Hello, good morning. In this video, I will try to show you or to answer this question: what is the secret of trading? Okay, a lot of people think that in order to be profitable or to have money in the stock market, there should be a secret. Okay, now trading has no secret. There is no secret in trading. No secret. Because it is not. It's not like something that you can have like an information or something, and then you can have a lot of money or something. So it's something related to what we call rules. Okay, the rules are the most important things in trading. So it is no secret. There is no secret in it. So in order to explain to you what are these rules, now there is this famous investor who is called Warren Buffett. I know maybe most of you have heard of this guy. Warren Buffett. He is an investor. So he summarizes the secret of trading or investing in two rules. Okay? Rule one. What is the rule number one? Rule number one is do not lose money. Do not lose money. It doesn't mean that all your trades should be winners, okay, and you have profit. No, he doesn't mean that. What he meant is, when I will give you an example. If you buy a stock, like for example, $50, okay, but the stock market or the market is against you, it means from 50 it's going down, okay. Now for you, you should limit your loss. Limit your loss in this trade. So you limit your loss. It means you should have in mind, or you put what we call here stop loss. So what does it mean? It means, for example, the stock is 50 and you said to yourself, well, if it goes to $49, I will sell. Okay? I will not wait until it goes to 48, 47, 30, 20, $1. Okay? So I shouldn't wait, because no one knows where the stock will go, either down or up. So this is the rule. Rule number one. You should stop your loss always. Don't let your losing trade continue like this, and each day or each hour or each week or each month it takes from your money, from your trade. For example, if you bought like 100 shares for $50, you'll have $5,000. Now, if it goes to 49, okay, you lose $100. It becomes $4,900. But suppose it goes down to like $40. You lose $10 for each share. Okay, so you will lose, for example, $1,000 from $5,000. It means you lose 20% of your money. Okay, So this is the rule. The rule is don't lose money. It means when you begin to lose money, you should stop. You shouldn't leave. You shouldn't leave the trade, the losing trade. Continue losing and losing and losing until you blow out your account. This is the first rule. Okay. So now this is rule number one. I hope that you understand this. So now rule number two. There are only two rules. One rule. Now the second rule, which is very funny rule, what does Warren Buffett say? It says, don't or do not forget about rule number one. He says, do not forget about rule number one. This is the rule number one. It means, what does he mean? What does he mean? He means that there is only one rule in trading. Only one. The second one is just to emphasize the first one. Now, what does this rule says? It says, don't let a losing trade continue. That's why this stop loss is very, very important. Now I will give you an example of how catastrophic is if you don't stop your losing trade. Now in the depression in the 1929, when we have the Great Depression. Now after a few years, now the whole market lost about 85% of the whole market. You know what does it mean, 85%? It means if you have, for example, $100,000 in your account, for example, this 100,000 is your account, all are stocks like 5 or 10 or 15 stocks, I don't know how many stocks you buy. If it goes to 85% down, like in the Great Depression or like in any sell-off, big sell-off, what does it mean? It means that you will have 15,000 in your account only, and you will lose $85,000 from your account. You lose them. So you see how catastrophic is when you just stay and stay, and you say to yourself, the stock that goes, there is some people say this, the stock that, here stock $50 for example, they say if it goes down, it will go up. It will stop in some time here, like 40, for example, it stops at 40 and it will go up. But I will tell you this, who tells you that the stock will stop at 40 or 30 or 20 or $1? Who tells you this? Do you know the future? No one knows the future. So if you say, for example, in the past the stock has gone to 50, then 40, then 50, then 40, like support and resistance, but this is temporary. It means it goes through time, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, or 5 years, or 5 months, or 5 days, and then it changes either up or down. Now, when it goes down, you don't know what will happen. Okay? So this is the secret of trading. And in order to summarize all this, or to sum it up, there is no secret. The only secret is that don't lose money. If you have, for example, an account, you begin with an account, for example, 20,000, and you begin trading. If you are new, try to check 6 months. Okay, check 6 months after, and see yourself, is it up or is it down? Okay, you can check each month or each week or each 6 months or each year as you like. But try to see Why I say 6 months? Because almost all the beginners, they blow out their account from 6 months to 1 year. It means they begin to play with their account, they lose, they stay in the trade, and they lose more money, and when they have small profit, they take it, and it's like this. It's the opposite what they should do. Okay, so this is the thing about trading. So there is no secret. The only secret is don't lose money. And if you lose little money, it's okay, because it's always like this in trading. And this is all for today. Thank you very much. And if you have any question about this or anything else, just ask. Thank you very much.